Do you want to change your desktop from this to this, or any other wallpaper you need? Follow the steps. Step 1. Go to the Steam and search for wallpaper. Download any wallpaper app you need. I used Wallpaper Engine. Step 2. Go to my account. You can find it in my bio. Select the wallpaper you need. Click subscribe. Go to the app you downloaded. You will find the wallpaper you subscribed to. And now you have Wallpaper Live. How to customize your desktop. Hide desktop icons. Right-click and select View, then click Show Desktop Icons. And it disappears. Make the taskbar transparent. Open Microsoft Store. And search Translucent TB and download it. Open it and taskbar transparent. Get the clock. Open your browser, search for Rain Meter, and download it. And search for Måneskin, and download it. Now open Måneskin. And press Install. Set the settings if you need and press Close. Now unload skins don't need. Congratulations, you now have a professional desktop.